Hello, hi, Xposed GA. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, me to my now on side. Yeah, become fair. Ghana's film industry, I told you, and then the caskets. Our YouTube near home. One person I may make us or good Ghana in the film industry here, Lilwin, Nkansah. Make up a 40 years here. Or you'll be a person kunya, or you'll be a who be a competitor. He is not a team player, he's a selfish man. Make up a 40 years here. Now you could see a somewhere can buy match a mass here.
Dabi, Tibia Subiana Nebu. I bought Chetan and Copa Adama. Yaji, dear Besney, so many years, Namaji, Midin, Metasujinum, for $1 million, no, Trebimere. Yebimere. Yakob would be a shoe. True, and Quananchen. Masabo, American Tomina Machi the day, Yabo Yuketo, Yaba American, my boy, yo. And yes, Casmami Mau. Second holidays, Sekojo, the patrol. Be try to take it among. Paso over some America, over some Canada, over some Likee. Could you be holidays, but whom were Uncle Deba Kamena. Debbie. Cause, minimere. I don't have time. Because another mirror, it's a time means no. Minyasa. The business never they are sure number, medicine poor. Which ya number. Me ba manyaska ani bia ba ya doye ani bia ya adwuma ani ba sport de meye na madiga na fochi na matam sika na matati akọ UK akọ America saba na manfa hwiama madini pachi fan city seka na fanka se liwe tukwa lewe ni timu tukwa na mama me timu yi yese be ko Canada be ko UK na obia sika onya da ho no wasa kwota ko ticket e be di machi se ye kwedi holidays ne akọ ne abansa pan ne obi anya hwe na o musika o msa baba no so o ma tata to take question no na la chi obam so bo o ko boche ba so fe so ko yi so bi akọ ba onya hwe ama e bi ko South Africa e bi ko Nigeria e bi ko America wo ba ti wo ko di se e bi obu opa boche na ko yeke opa boche na ko ye no imagine fesa almost 5 years ni maji bi amara da ho amana wu message 5 years asa da hono mama ka be 6 months na wu UK maji visa ebeka aka be 1 month say aka be 2 months 3 months na no so wu na nko e da bi adwuma ma me nko adwuma ma me ntam sika ntwe ticket enko nsa mansa pai. I will never do that. Akopma ma bra nyankopa ayi madum manya sika ma be billionaire mesi man shade na kodi holidays be na me bra pesika after school bus am school from kra asi school dan ma bodes no a me bre no ma satan be 50,000 60,000 100,000 akodi holidays Dubai Canada America no ma sa masapa na majimi no me say life is no competition tini program me no kwa man homecoming Unuka mebo. Toma Carlos, unuka mebo. No be in a program or the mean colleague, me about to headline. I would promote ni pano. Because I go beat Jaco, at least be our own Nkansah. Na afotiana, where the yana for high or prepare no. Yanka will be you. Yea, chamo. Yea, Yabaji Dean, so many years, 20-something years ni. Up to now, Medasujim, for year 20-something years.
Aye, so what's in your Kika? Quite don't cancel Lilwin and win the say or competition with everybody in this world. Time and now starting here a country called Ghana and all that. Me say, near friend self-appraisal or be accepted or did you on one. Because Uti at that time, Obi to say Bella Samoa. President of Ghana's Girls Winner. I said, quite only win or only the movie industry at heart too. Because when you have the opportunity, you call everybody. No, bisa say, how do we do it? Now, maybe chemo nieti akwajo Nkansah or good Ghana film industry. Time na or your film sinino. Those times, those Ghana's film ekoda pa. Nipo timi peja ni ye ejaku. Aye, ejaku. Na eja ko be peja ade no Edu baby no say Ghana film ebe pa after the Nigeria dey cry ye hwe biem. Ewa in a few moments say na ya tworo no. E na Kwadwo Nkansah enter free no. Obe mu no ni obe ye ne say obe undermine Ejako. It's a do baby, not the producers were not willing to give Ejako role. Now check this. Obe replacing Ejako no. Lilwin pen na oya film ultimate gets man no to me yan the boss. In real life, does it happen? It's a do baby no a quite to say comic relief. Nothing to even ultimate film no be so what is the storyline? Lilwin no more here for my storyline be anymore. 1 minute story. It's Jimmy no and one scene no yet me prolong here. But go and check the Nigerian films. Because Obo say ye film no na a follow storyline, a follow niama bia. Obo say nyasa wom. It's a no time be no Ghana film no who say nyasa bia nim. Because Lilwin in particular no or making sure say ade no ye ni nyina no sabe e ya ade o ya ma no ho enya ade asabe o ye na sabe atimi akọ baabi na atimi abibi. Eno na ekọ ye bedidi mu no. Na o hwe Likee is a man that I like so much because of Remu as somebody he wanted to learn. And then who can Likee wa bonkofo bebre boys ni bebre and then all those checheku and whatever even guy know who ye ni na they are my big stars. Nipa when your friend say o peja Ghana movie industry and you Lilwin the ono be Ghana film industry na obo Likee dia na Lilwin anu kan fa Lilwin Kwadwo Nkansah na ne buafu meti ase because only me ye will be a friend team player. Movie industry is so him say who Kwadwo Nkansah you can never be the lone player. And yet Likee and Cassini when the Ankem say who are you Likee na way keeping skits alive and never say oh shoot films. So Likee has rather well peja diano because the skits no crow yeno nyansa wom essay Kwadwo Nkansah film full one or nyansa bi anim e Jimmy film. Nyansa bi anim film storyline nim ni akofa Nigeria phobia ba. We want to promote Ghana, then you are going to use Nigeria to promote Ghana. When Ghanaians started making films, where were the Nigerians? Kwadwo Nkansah, be reasonable. Because ni awu ye no, I say oya oni otan any your friend say me who say na me kan no ya bi na wo de ye ni aye no. Ha, mama ka job play. And then Dr. Likee, he's in a class of its own. Wo ni ama ye wa ko twitwa for me nya wo say ko ba bia because adwene a time wa chi a wo de ye ade no. Enya adwen papa. Na me say asem am kan bebre be kasa kasa fa me ho. Because ni American e no kure who bet to sell the win, he should be sacked from the Ghana film industry because Woni nyansa bia. Obi a compared to Obia. Oh, and nyansa ni mina o compare to Obia. Nyansa mo no like us oh. Film no ye nyina ne ye eja ono so ye ne na me so me ya me de enti ene me ye no ono so ye ne de boma na e ba ho. Na who ba be kire who are you who Kwadwo Nkansah woni potwe sa potro anka who ka ye wanya. Enya dumbi na so aka ya wanya na wo so awo akurase a wo to atete ene so anya ho aka bi Bible nim Yesu di sika bi chobi nipa ne ko no koda obi ka na obi sesa nka wo ne wanya wo ba be dai obi ka Kwadwo Nkansah wo ne wanya wo ba be dai wo ba be kasa wo e man move go so chada nyobia o chada nyobia I don't be na so and I will say na ya flow bi enu ti na fufuro but unu baby aye the kind of your friend is saying subanya wo de te no wa Ghana film industry Kwadwo Lilwin he is the problem of the film industry in Ghana I'm telling you ebi a woman to me can change but me I'll tell him say calling number second chance now for say master what do you mean fuck all I Xposed GHFM subscribe share to my Nkansah.